Hi, this is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind. You know, some time ago, I was making some poor decisions at that time, and a person that was connected to me professionally made a statement that got back to me, said, you know, Newt, knowing his past, man, he doesn't deserve to be anywhere or work anywhere. And although I didn't even really know this person, wasn't connected to him anyway, they didn't have any influence on me, that statement bothered me, you know, and it bothered me for a while until I realized that that person, you know, they didn't know me. They didn't know anything about me, how I think, what makes me tick, what I had to go through, what I put up with. They didn't know anything about me. And even if they did, they didn't have the capability of even calculating my worth because they don't know what God has in store for me because he's the one that says what can be and what cannot be. So why did their statement bother me so much? Because of the decisions that I was making in my life at that time. I connected my thinking to what they said. So what am I trying to say to you today? It's real simple, see. Don't let your thinking connect to or attach to people who do not have the capability of even calculating your worth. I mean, if they can't see the greatness and the worth of what's inside you, then they are not connected to your destiny. And any input that they have in your life has little or no value at all. This is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind.